I have gotten feedback where it's like, you guys don't do anything in here. Like, the kids are just playing, and it's like, no, it goes beyond that.
The skills that kids get to develop in SmartLabs are transferable skills.
Learning how to tackle problems, how to use resources, how to work together. These kids are literally learning the things that they're gonna need when they leave our classroom.
Our kids have an opportunity in SmartLabs to develop those skills, not just in solving problems, but developing the entire process from start to finish and presenting it as part of who they are and part of what they're learning, and they're very proud of it.
They take even their failures home to mom excitedly. They say, Mom, we did this and it blew up or it broke or it whatever. And then they come back the next day with new thoughts.
A SmartLab can be a place both to succeed and have that support that you need to take on new things, but taking on new things, you're going to fail. So if you're not willing to try and mess up, then you're probably gonna have a really hard time going forward.
I see the SmartLab fill in a gap in experiences. We got to play, we got to explore, we got to make mistakes, we got to fix mistakes, and that's not the world we live in today. And so we haven't offered that in education traditionally over the last 30, 40 years. This is a reintroduction to project-based learning.
They come alive in the SmartLab and do phenomenal work because it's not based off of maybe what all you've learned or what all you know, but what you can do and create and build.
I think it's seeing their brains go and seeing them learn and seeing them teach one another is a huge thing in education. They're finding things out on their own with their own curiosity.
And we're seeing increases in our test scores. That aspect tells us that we're meeting the needs, but a little bit differently, because kids don't have the sense that they're doing this higher level thinking, yet they are.
They learn not just that there are doctors and lawyers and stuff and like that, but there are so many people that make a corporation run or make a product available or put cars on the market, that there's things that they can tap into that really take their interests. And we know as adults, if you're not interested in it, it's really work. But if you like it, if it's interesting, if it really fulfills something within you, it's a pleasure.
I think it gives them a leg up on being able to communicate effectively to their educator, to their peers, or an employer eventually.
We've got parents that they've got life struggles and very difficult worlds that they live and come from, and they're fired up and excited about their child's education because they're getting opportunities that A, they never had, and B, they look around and they say, other kids aren't getting it, but my kid is. And that anecdotal gives us fuel to fire the no barriers, just possibilities vision that we're living every day. And that's what I'm most excited about.